The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
Yeah, welcome to Canada, where parents have no rights and the kids could talk to you anyhow, mash up your place, call you every bees and everything in the world, you know, mark up my skin, see my skin there, mark it up, cut me up, do all kind of things. Watch that, mash up this, you know, show me door. Show me door. Remember, I run inside of my room and lock up. And watch there. She bust open the door for me. Bust it open. You know? Me not have no rights. Me have to run for my life. Because guess what? Me don't want to go to prison.
Viewers and subscribers, according to some things that I saw and heard in that video that I just presented to you, I got the understanding that the video is about a mother who complained about her child who damaged the things within her house and attacked her. See? I also got the understanding that this video be recorded somewhere within the country that is known as Canada. You see what I'm saying to you? Now, viewers and subscribers, you see, if that female who is said to be the mother at any point did not hit her child when she was doing all of those things by damaging things in the house and attacking her, I think she did the right thing when she did not hit that child. You see me? You can get into trouble with the law in many countries out there worldwide if you hit your child. You see? And when it comes down to a situation where it is said that a parent had been attacked by his or her child, or if the child is acting out of control, I think the best thing to do is to call the police or the Child Protective Service that is within your country. Whatsoever is the name of that organization. Call them, let them handle that situation. You see me? When it comes on to a child behaving out of control or attacking you, the parent, or having some horrible tantrums, you see me? Call the Child Protective Service. Do not hit the child. You can get into trouble with the law for that. You see me? And overall, I don't believe in hitting children. At no point, I don't believe in that. So don't do it. Alright, let me know what to think about that video, viewers and subscribers, alright? Alright, so big up and respect to each and everyone. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Yes, I'm here again. Now, I have more videos that I'm going to present to you. And I'm going to put together and present to you pieces of videos that are from an entire video that is out on social media. And that entire video that is out on social media shows some things that happened when a musician who goes by the name of Beenie Man and members of his family went to a zoo that is located somewhere within the country that is known as Jamaica. The video also shows when a female touched a lion repeatedly. You see it? The video shows lions in an enclosed area, and the female was outside of the enclosed area touching a lion repeatedly. I'm not sure if the female work at the zoo or what, is it me? But the video shows these things that I just said. You understand? Anyways, some of the scenes in these pieces of videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Now here are the pieces of videos. Take a look, listen and observe.
Don't move them.
Hey, listen. Hey. Hey, no. Okay, boy, okay.
I am.
You wanna go down? You wanna go down? It's okay, Santo. Sainty, behave. Sainty, behave yourself. Okay, there's Santa and Sainty.
Them like
Me not touch them lion then, of viewers and subscribers. No, sir. Me, I would never touch them. And I would encourage anyone to touch them. You see? I am not sure if the female work at the zoo, you know. I'm not sure, you see me? You know, but you know, overall, me not touch them. I'm only encouraging anyone to touch them, you see me? Me, you must be mad now. Anyways, you can let me know what you think about the videos, viewers and subscribers, alright? And I'm going to move on to another video. Alright, now, the next video I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, according to some things that have been said on social media about this video. It is said that this video is about a person who escaped from the police within the country of Trinidad and Tobago. And according to some things that the person said in this video, I got the understanding that the person said that he's going to carry himself into the police or carry himself into police custody. You see what I'm saying to you? And he somewhat explained as to how he's going to do that or want to do that. You see what I'm saying to you? And the person also said that he have 1 foot. Yeah, the person said some things that gave me to understand that he said that he have 1 foot. Yes, you may I say? And the person said other things as well. Viewers and subscribers, this video has been recorded within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. I don't know when the video has been recorded, but I'm presenting the video to you so that you can take a look at it for yourself. And you can also let me know what you think about some of the things that have been shown and said in this video. Alright? Alright, now here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Aha, today, nation worldwide. You see which part I is right now? I know I in some fucking bush, some jungle somewhere. But here I tell you earlier, the police come by me earlier on, they let me know they have a warrant for me. Plenty of them, let me see how much of them. They come to handcuff me, they get one ounce of weed by me with less than 28 grams, but they handcuff me long time. Other incident where I paid the police quite last year, at 3,000 for driving without insurance. That the warrant man. I went in the station, he came in the station in fact, because I meet him on the line, he asked me for the money, I tell him yes. I went in the station with him, and paid the money. Like sometime last year, I gave him the money, but when he come there, he come one side and let me know, he paid the warrant, he paid it. And, I get somebody to pay it for you, you give back the money, and get somebody to pay it for your wife, but you have to go up in the jail first. Well, I started to get frightened one time, because I know they have corona in the jail. I run in from them thing. I do all the part of the jail. All how I cannot behave myself. But people are wrong by me. We have a little small thing going on by me with some neighbors. They're fighting me. Me know they're telling the police. I said anything or whatever. But the police come by me. They get less than 28 grams. You understand? And they want to go with me. But I don't want to go up in the jail. They handcuff me. I go into the back door and disappear from them. You understand? I get rid of the handcuff. I get it off, and I get somebody to put it down by whoever to put them to get it. Me know if they put it down whoever. Me, I don't want to call a body names again. I give a man to put it on the block. I don't really put it on the block by me there. So me no want to go on. But nation, I in the bush here right now, right? And I willing to get a lawyer and get this situation set to people. I looking to get a lawyer and organize myself. I am not trying to run from the police really, but I running from the jail hard. I know about it. I have plenty running in with the law. People know that. I have plenty running in with the law, and I try my best to stay out of the people in jail and better myself. And the more I try to better myself, like the more fighting I get. You understand? Yeah, I have 1 foot now. There's 1 foot I have. Although don't know I have 1 foot and support from the police. You understand? But I don't know what the police have with me. I trying my best to behave myself. People know that. I am not going around people. I am staying away from people and in people way. Nation worldwide, let's see what's going on here in the bush. The police have me in the bush. You understand? All I'm just saying is that the police have me in the bush. I have a reason for saying the police have me here why it is. But I'm getting more lawyer and organize my scene. Nation, if the police them kill me, well, I don't know what's going on, right? I have nothing, but I organize myself to get my lawyer and organize my business. The police let me have the 3,000 to pay the insurance, and I give him a long time. He is the word man at Marble Station. So Nation that help me, right? Because I in the bush here and trying to organize myself to come out and get a lawyer and go in the police station. But they ain't get nothing else by me, no drugs, nothing. They get an ounce of weed by me with less than 28 grams. People was there. People was out there. Less than 28 grams they get by me nation worldwide. Less than 28 grams. They ain't get nothing else by me. You understand? But I'm proof they get nothing else by me. But I know they want the handcuff. I give the man to drop the handcuff, you know, if he drop it. But they cut it off for me. I really don't want to go up in his jail, but I have to face the consequences at the end of the day for the warrant, because the warrant man, he pay it. And I don't know what they might want to charge me with a game, they might want to give me more thing. They go give me resisting arrest, they go charge me for the handcuff, because I go on with the handcuff. I don't want to go up in the prison. I try my best to stay out of the people in prison nationwide. I see how they fight and only get to the youths. And I try my best to stay out of trouble. Alright, I just don't know what's going on. So I get my lawyer, organize myself, Gary. I don't know if you know if this take place, Mr. Gary. But I'm looking to organize myself and come in. I give the man the handcuff because I went to the people them handcuff. Government handcuff as you call it. Right? And I don't know if the man drop it on the block. Right? But it cut and out of the handcuff right now. And I willing to give up myself. Right? I organize my lawyer.
Well, viewers and subscribers, if this person really and truly wants to turn himself into the police, I think that would be the best thing for him to do. You see me? Yeah, because being on the run only going to make things harder for him when it comes on to running from the law. You see me? I said to you. See? Well, I wish him the best. You see? Alright, so you can let me know what you think about the videos that I presented to you in this video. You know, big up and respect to each and every one. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. Yes, it.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.